Please subscribe for more videos.
What shapes are they? Circle, star, diamond. What colours are they? Orange, blue, red. Let's match the eggs up with their shapes. This one's a square. Where's the square? There it is. This one's a cross. Can we find the cross? Found it. This one's a heart. Can anyone find the heart? There it is. This is a circle. I can see the circle. A triangle. Here's the triangle. I wonder if this is a star. Fantastic work, everybody. Hexagon, star, pentagon, circle, square, star, pentagon, triangle, square, circle, star, triangle. What shape is this one? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It's a square. What shape is this one? It has 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. What shape is this one? It's completely round. It's a circle. Welcome to my blue house, everybody. I have a blue house. Up here in the sky, we have a beautiful sun. The sun is orange. The sun is orange. Does anybody know what shape the sun is? What shape is the sun? It's a circle. The sun is a circle. In the upstairs of my house, I've got a blue window. What shape is the blue window? It has 1, 2, 3 points and 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. It's a triangle. My downstairs window has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. What shape is my window? What shape is this window? Fantastic! It's a square. It's a square. My front door also has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. But it's a little bit different to the square because 2 of the sides are longer. My front door is called a rectangle. It's a rectangle. And my lovely green tree is the shape of an oval. It's an oval. Thank you for visiting my house, everybody. Hope you come again soon. What shapes are there? Circle, square, triangle, heart, star. And what colours are there? Blue, green, white, red, orange. And what numbers are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What shape is this one? It has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. It's a star. What shape is this one? This one has 3 sides and 3 points. 1, 2, 3 points and 1, 2, 3 sides. It's a triangle. What shape is this one? This one has quite a lot of sides. It's called a cross. What shape is this one? This one's called a heart. What shape is this one? It's completely round. That's right, it's a circle. What shape is this one? It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. This is called a square. Just to recap, we have an orange star, a blue triangle, a red cross, a yellow heart, a green circle, a purple square.
Please subscribe for more videos.